back to my channel Super Cool Couponer. This is the next week's CVS deal update on November 8 to November 14, 2020. Today I show you all digital and printable deal. If you are new to CVS, check my first video in description below. So let's look at the deal. So the first deal is CoverGirl Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 2 CoverGirl Pro and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's total $12.98. It's $6.49 each. Use one $3 off CoverGirl mystery coupon printed on 11/1/2020. Use one $2 off CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. Use one $2 off CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $7. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free. The CoverGirl Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. If you have the $3 off 15 CoverGirl CVS CRT, buy 2 CoverGirl product and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 1 CoverGirl Pro and Eye Maker eyeliner. It's $6.49. Buy 1 CoverGirl Clean Press powder. It's $8.49 each. The totals come out $14.98. Use one $3 off 15 CoverGirl Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $3 off CoverGirl mystery coupon printed on 11/1. Use one $2 off CoverGirl Eye digital coupon. Use one $2 off CoverGirl Face digital coupon. The total coupon is $10. Pay or roll $4.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 money maker. The next deal is Wet n Wild Cosmetic Deal. Spend $12 and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 2 Wet n Wild Water Drop Premier. It's $11.98. It's $5.99 each. Use one $4 off $10 Wet n Wild Cosmetic CVS CRT. Pay or roll $7.98 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is $1.98 or 99 cents each. The next deal is L'Oreal Cosmetic Deal Scenario 1. Spend $15 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 1 L'Oreal Voluminize X Fiber Waterproof Mascara. It's $14.49. Buy 1 L'Oreal Single Eyeshadow. It's $6.99. The total is $21.48. You can use one free L'Oreal Mascara CVS CRT if you have this one. Use one $5 off L'Oreal coupon on Coupon Center printed on 11/1. The total coupon is $19.49. Pay or roll $1.99 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is free plus $3.01 money maker. The next one is L'Oreal Cosmetic Deal Scenario 2. If you have $10 off $30 L'Oreal CVS CRT, spend $15 on L'Oreal Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Buy 3 L'Oreal Voluminize Original Premier Base Mascara. It's $20. The totals come out $29.97. It's $9.99 each. Use one $10 off $30 L'Oreal Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 off L'Oreal coupon on Coupon Center printed on 11/1. The total coupon is $15. Pay or roll only $14.97 and get back $10 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost all product is $1.97 or 65 cents each. The next deal is Maybelline Deal Scenario 1. Spend $12 on Maybelline Cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. It's also exclude Great Lace Mascara. Buy one Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $4.49. Buy one Maybelline foundation, it's $8.49. Use one $3 of Maybelline mystery coupon available on 11/8. Use one $2 of Maybelline Eye Care printable coupon on Maybelline.com. Use one $2 of Maybelline Face printable coupon on Maybelline.com also. The total coupon is $7. If you need this printable coupon, you need to fill out your information, then you can get that coupon. Pay or roll $5.98 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is 98 cents or 49 cents each. In this one, if you want to hold that mystery coupon, next to next week, they have nice deal. Buy two, get $5 ECB. If you want to hold that Maybelline mystery coupon, you can hold and you can use the next to next week. The next one is Maybelline deal scenario 2. If you have $10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT, spend $12 on Maybelline cosmetic and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. Exclude Great Lace Mascara. Buy two Maybelline single eyeshadow, it's $8.98. It's $4.49 each. Buy two Maybelline foundation, it's $16.98. It's $8.49 each. Buy one Maybelline Super Stay Matte Link Lip, it's $10.29. The total is $36.25. Use one $10 of 35 Maybelline CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Maybelline mystery coupon, it's available on 11/8. Use one $2 of Maybelline Eye Care coupon on Maybelline.com. Use one $2 of Maybelline Face digital coupon on Maybelline.com. The total coupon is $17. Pay or roll only $19.25 and get back $15 ECB plus $3 beauty reward. The final cost, all 5 cosmetic product is only $1.25 or 25 cents each. Now the next deal is Almay Cosmetic deal scenario 1. Spend $12 any Almay Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 6 per household. Buy one Almay Healthy Hue Plus, it's $12.49. Use one $5 of Almay Cosmetic coupon on Coupon Center printed on 11/1. Pay or roll $7.49 and get back $6 ECB. The final cost is $1.49. The next one is Almay Cosmetic deal scenario 2. If you have the $6 or $20 CVS CRT, spend $12 any Almay Cosmetic and get back $6 ECB. It's limit 6 per household. Buy one Almay Smart Shade Merching Makeup Foundation, it's $15.79. Buy one Almay Matte and Cream Lipstick, it's $8.69. The totals come out $24.48. Use one $6 of $20 Almay Cosmetic CVS CRT. Use one $5 of Almay Cosmetic coupon on Coupon Center printed on 11/1. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $13.48 and get back $12 ECB. The final cost is $1.48 or 74 cents each. The next deal is Hallmark card deal. Buy 3 Hallmark card and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Hallmark card, it's total $6. Use one $3 of $2 Hallmark card CVS CRT. Pay or roll $3 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is free. The next deal is Household deal scenario 1. Spend $30 and get back $10 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. I buy one Nexus Damage Healing Shampoo, it's $16.49. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo 12 to 12.6 OZ, it's total $12. It's on sale 3 for $12. Buy one Crease 3D White toothpaste 3.5 OZ, it's $2.99. The totals come out $31.48. Use one $5 of Nixas shampoo digital coupon. It's available on 11/8/2020. Use one $4 of $20 any hair care product CVS CRT. Use one $2 of $7 Pantene hair care CVS CRT. Use one $4 of Nexus hair care CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Chris toothpaste digital coupon. It's available on 11/8. Use one $5 of 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner digital coupon. The total coupon is $21. Pay or roll $10.48 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost all product is 48 cents or 9 cents each. This is the scenario 2. Spend 30, get $10 ECB. Buy one Tide liquid 92 to 100 OZ, it's $11.94. Buy one Tide Pod 16 CT, it's $4.94. Buy 3 Pantene shampoo 12 to 12.6 OZ, it's $12. It's 3 for $12. Buy one Crease 3D White toothpaste 3.5 OZ is $2.99. The totals come out $31.87. Use one $3 of Tide liquid digital coupon. Use one $2 of Tide Pod digital coupon. Use one $1 of Crease toothpaste digital coupon. It's available 11/8. Use one $5 of 3 Pantene shampoo or conditioner digital coupon. Use one $2 of $7 Pantene shampoo CVS CRT. The total coupon is $13. Pay or roll only $18.87 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost all product is $8.87 or $1.47 each. The next deal is Soft body wash deal. Buy 2 body wash and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 3 per household. It's also sell 2 for $10. Buy 2 Soft body wash 20 FLOZ, it's $10. It's 2 for $10. Use 2.75 cents of Soft printable coupon on softsoft.com. Use one $2 of $6 body wash CVS CRT. Use one $2 of 2 Soft body wash CVS CRT. The total coupon is $5.50. Pay only $4.50 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $1.50 or 75 cents each. In this deal, if you not doing this week, they have the next week better deal. They have $1 of coupon center printable coupon. The next deal is Dove Degree X Suava or Care body wash and hair care deal. Spend $15 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Dove Deep Moisturizer body wash 12 OZ, it's $7.49. Buy one Dove bar soap 6 bar, it's $9.49. The total is $16.98. Use one $2 of $8 Dove or Dove Men body wash CVS CRT. Use one $3 of Dove or Dove Men body wash bar CVS CRT. Use one $1 of Dove body wash digital coupon. Use one 75 cents of Dove bar soap digital coupon. The total coupon is $6.75. Pay or roll $10.23 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $5.23. The next deal is Gillette and Venus razor deal. Buy 2 Gillette or Venus razor and get back $8 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy one Venus woman razor, it's $9.99. Buy one Gillette Man Mark III razor, it's $9.99. The totals come out $19.98. Use one $2 of Gillette Venus Woman Razor digital coupon. Use one $2 of Gillette Man Razor digital coupon. Use one $5 of $20 Razor CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $10.98 and get back $8 ECB. The final cost is $2.98 or $1.49 49 cents each. So now the next deal is Eucerin or Aquaphor deal. Spend $20 and get back $10 ECB. Buy 2 Eucerin Skin Calming Cream 8 OZ. It's $19.98. It's $9.99 each. Use one $4 of $20 any lotion CVS CRT. Use two $3.50 off Eucerin lotion printable coupon on eucerin.com. Limit 4 coupon per household. The total coupon is $11. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $10 ECB. The final cost is free plus $1.02 moneymaker. The next deal is Bebo bathroom tissue paper deal. Buy 2 get $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell buy 1 get 1 free. Buy 4 Bebo unbleached bathroom tissue 8 roll. It's $43.96. It's $10.99 each. Minus $21.98 because it's buy 1 get 1 free. The totals come out $21.98. Use one, buy 2 get 1 free CVS CRT. Pay or roll $10.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost all 4 bathroom tissue are $7.99 or $1.99 each. If you can't find this tissue on this week, you can hold that CVS CRT and you can use the next to next week. The next deal is select makeup gift set deal. Buy 1 gift set and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell $4.99 each. Buy 1 select makeup gift set. It's $4.99. Pay or roll $4.99 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $1.99 each. The next deal is select hand sanitizer deal. Spend $10 on select hand sanitizer and get back $3 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. Buy 3 Paparazzi hand sanitizer. It's $14.97. It's $4.99 each. Minus $4.99. It's because it's buy 2 get 1 free. The totals come out $9.98. Use $1 of Paparazzi cosmetic including lip hair CVS CRT. It's attached in CVS app. I checked that one. But if you want to make sure, you can check back on Sunday. Pay or roll $8.98 and get back $3 ECB. The final cost is $1.99 each. The next and final deal is Pamper and Easy Up diaper deal. Spend $20 and get back $5 ECB. It's limit 1 per household. It's also sell 2 for $20. Buy 2 Pamper jumbo pack diaper 16 to 32 CT. It's $20. It's 2 for $20. Use one $2 of 2 Pamper diaper digital coupon. Use one $3 of Pamper diaper CVS CRT. Use one $4 of $20 baby care CVS CRT. The total coupon is $9. Pay or roll $11 and get back $5 ECB. The final cost is $6 or $3 each. So this is my CVS deal update on next week. I hope this deal is helpful to you. If do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you friends. Bye bye.